So welcome back to SlyFoxTrader. It's day number 4 of our trading challenge. It's January 19th, 2024. And yeah, we are ready to trade. As you can see on the demo account here, live account, we have resetted the amount, the balance on the demo account to 1000. Always make sure that it's slightly below the live balance, which give us yeah, the opportunity to not to risk our money more than what we have set in the risk management settings. Make sure that you have activated the algo trading here, and when you put the SlyFoxTrader, this one is in blue. If it's in gray, there's something wrong and the EA might not work. So make sure that you activated algorithm trading, you activated the algorithm trading here, and also allowing the DLL imports. So this is blue on both sides, and then we can start on both. And as you can see now, it's synchronized. So let's start with trading. Activate the one-click trading and make sure that you start to trade now. So start here. Let's see if it worked here. Perfect. So it's synchronized. Let's open some other trades. As we know, we want to trade maximum 3 trades per day. One. And what else do we want to open? So we have Australian dollars, USD, Euro, Swiss francs. So let's try this one. Well, okay, that's it already. Maybe as you can see here, especially at the beginning, like even when this is in negative, this also can be in the negative. That's why this trading tool is not really meant for scalping trading, because you need at least yeah, a specific amount of pips to make sure that the spreads are not killing your profit. So let's also add the stop losses here. So let's add stop loss here. Let's add a stop loss here. As well as here. Yep, that's it. So let's see what will happen in some hours. We will not check it all the time. Yeah, see you later. So welcome back, and we have finished the first week of our challenge, and it looks amazing. So let's have a look into the trades. We opened only 3 trades today. 2 of them hit the stop loss, as you can see here, and one of them we closed yeah, manually. I don't know why we didn't just wait for the stop loss. It was slightly in profit on the live account, so I just decided to close the week. and don't spend any more time. Well, yeah, as you can see here, it would, no, I don't want to trade. As you can see here, all these 3 trades were closed in the profit zone here. I can now, as you can see, the custom period just for today. This is the amount. The new balance is 1146.64, and we can also do this. So let's do the whole week. We started on Tuesday, but let's do the whole week. And as we can see, it's all our trades. Hit almost all of them, as we know. One of them hit, one of them or 2 of them we missed because the laptop shut down because of no charge, which was not very good, but this will never happen again. We are planning to set up a VPS so that it will run like 24/7, and we are not depending on our local system anymore. This I will probably set up on the weekend, and then we will set this up all on the VPS. But let's come back to the numbers. We had 136.03 profit at the end of the first week, and as you can see here now, I slightly updated the tracking tool. We started on Tuesday, and yes, as you can see here now, Friday, this is the new balance here, and we had a very profitable week. As you can see here, with 136, which is around 13.46% in total profit for the whole week, which is phenomenal if you look at what was our goal, like 14.82%, but for a full week, and now we are at 13.46% for 4 days. So we can even add like our average profit, daily profit here. So we have this divided by 4. So we have a daily average profit of 3.37, which is definitely higher than what we had in mind, what was our goal. So we are finishing the week very strong. I'm super happy for the first week, and see you then next week.